That anytime he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping that out. But he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation that he just can't see. He gives him loving that his body can handle, but all he can say is, baby, it's good to me. But all the praying just ain't wrong.
His health is faded. I kept saying his health.
Joy, put down the phone. Joy.
Hold on. Shit.
How the fuck she stop in the middle of recording?
Hold on. Shit. They in the car and shit. They wanna go get it. Cha-cha. Okay,
Okay, hold on. Okay, ready?
go on, hop on.
Hold on, stop.